Hi, from 4 Chemistry, chapter 5, video number 4. Nice to meet you. Okay. New title: Formation of covalence bonds. Covalence, what's meant by covalence? Equal 平均的意思啦。Covalence 共价平均。Okay, so formation of covalence bond. 什么叫 covalence bond? Last time we talked about ionic bond. Positive ions, negative ion, they join together. So this is a bond that we call ionic bond, 离子的 bond. But this is covalence bonds, 平均。Okay, 平等的 bond, 共价共同的 bond. What's meaning? Don't know. Nothing to worry 啦，不要紧张。来 ，copy on your notes, page number 5, 第5面。A covalence bond is a bond that is formed when non-metallic atoms 非金属的 atom, okay, share the electrons to attain the stable electron arrangement with a duplex and octet. Okay, so where is a covalence bond come from? 这种 bond 在哪里出现呢？ They'll be exist in the non-metal atoms. 它们在非金属的 atom 那边出现。And what they do, they don't release the electron. 它没有丢 electron. They don't gain the electron. 它没有拿到 electrons. But something very funny or very short, very special. Okay, they share electron. 它们共识 electrons to attain the stable electron arrangement with the duplex and octet. 给它自己变成 stable, maybe become duplex or maybe become octets. But any idea 有什么意思呢 ？Okay, 为什么会这样子呢？非金属的 atom, okay, they share electron, 它们共识 electrons, and they become stable, 它们就变成了 stable. Next. In the covalence bonds, each atom contributes an equal number of electrons for sharing with no transfer. So in the covalence bonds, okay, 在哪里发生 non-metal atom 非金属的 atom? Each atom contribute, 每一粒 atom contribute 贡献出 an equal number of electrons, and this is the word equal 啦，平均。一样 okay, they contribute an equal number of electrons for sharing with no transfer. 他们贡献出某某数量的 electron for sharing, 用来公司罢了 share 罢了 and no transfer, 他们没有送人也没有拿到别人的东西 okay, so this is what we call covalence bond. 在哪里发生 non-metal atom, 他们做什么 share electron. Why? To make themselves become octet or duplex or make themselves become stable okay, so any example 有什么 example 呢？等一下我会告诉你了。So usually the covalence bond are formed between the non-metal atom from the group 15, 16, and 17, or maybe in the carbon and silicon from the group number 14. So they will be happen in the non-metallic atom. 只在非金属那边发生 ，OK？ So metal 金属 they like to give， 金属喜欢丢 electron， 对不对？非金属喜欢收 electron。But non-metal and non-metal 非金属对非金属。example 你啊，没有讲人啊。Girl and girl。Okay, they don't give and they don't receive. 女孩子没有乱给人东西，女孩子也不会乱收到女孩子的东西。So they share， 他们通常只 share 东西罢了。Okay, they can share everything. 他什么都可以 share. For example, 有个女孩子对她朋友说：“你的袜子很美丽，可以借我吗？” So another one will give you the sock 啦，他会给你袜子。But they remember， 女孩子在借袜子的时候，她会告诉你：“我借你罢了，要还我，我没有给你。” So for sharing with no transfer. Okay, but remember， 当你跟他借袜子啊 ，remember 1-2小时过后，他会打电话来。Okay, 他会讲，你的帽子很美丽，请你借我可以吗？你借他袜子，他一定要跟你借帽子的。女生就是这样子的，只借没有给的，一定要跟你讨回来的。他们是比较小心眼的。sorry 啊，乱讲话。Okay, so any example? You look at the example. So chlorine atom 2.8.7, and because of 0.7 not stable, 它不 stable. Chlorine atom another atom 2.8.7, and because of 0.7, this atom is also not stable. So million years ago, 1,000 million years ago, 100,000亿年前 okay, chlorine atom, because they are not stable. So what they do, they share their electrons. 他们彼此共识 electron. I share you one electron, you share me one electron. So finally, I having 2.8.8. become stable. I also having 2.8.8. I also become stable. So this is what happened. They just share. 他们只是公司 but they don't donate. They don't receive. 他们没有丢也没有拿。So at the end, chlorine atom still atom, you know, because they don't lost the electron. 它的 electron 没有不见，它的 electron 没有多了一粒，它只是人家 share 它罢了。So chlorine atom still atom. Okay, and chlorine atom still atom. Atom non-metallic atom join together. They become chlorine molecule. Or remember, when they become chlorine molecule, there's no charge. 它根本不带电，因为它没有收到 electron， 它也没有不见 electron， 它们变成离子。So chlorine molecule finally becomes stable 啦。But at the same time, it's still neutral. 它还是不带电的分子或者是原子，它们没有变成离子。Okay, so finally they become stable 啦。They share electrons. Or this is a bond that we call covalent bond 啦，很平均的 bond。你借我一粒，我借你一粒，我没有给，你也没有拿。Okay, and both of us become stable. 我们都变成 stable. Okay. Next, so, but these are bonds compared to ionic bond. 这种 bond 呢 compared to ionic bond will be stronger 啦。Ionic bond 通常比较强。So these are bond normally not strong enough. 通常不够强了。Okay, or if you prepare the metallic atom, 如果你准备金属的 atom and put them closer and you heat them together, what's going to happen? Chlorine atom will be attracted. Chlorine atom 会被拉过来 and become ionic bond, 就变成 ionic bond. Okay, so this is covalent bond. 这种就叫 covalent bond. Next. And when we talk about covalent bond, we having 3 types of covalent bond, 3种的 covalent bond. And the first one we call single bond, single covalent bond. Or why single? 为什么叫 single? Okay, so a covalent bond form when one pair of electrons is shared between the two atoms. They share one pair. 他们共是一对的 electron. I give you one, you give me one. We share one pair. 我们共是一对，这种叫 single bond. Okay, but for example, sometimes the bond will be different. They call double bond. Or what's mean by double bond? I share you 2, you must share me 2. 我 share 你2粒，你一定要 share 我2粒 electron. 这种情况叫 double bond. Okay, so a covalent bond form when 2 pair of electrons are shared between the two atoms. Okay, 他们 share 2 pair 的 electron. 我给你2粒，你也 share 我2粒，所以这种叫 double bond, double covalent bond. 还有另外一种 triple bonds, okay? So a covalent bond form when 3 pair of electrons are shared. 他们共识，他们 share 3对的 electron. I give you 3, you give me 3. 你给我3，我也给你3。我们 share 3 pair. Or this is triple bonds, okay? 有没有 4 bond 那种？triple 过后变成什么了 ？I don't know。有没有 share 4粒的呢？没有，只有这3种罢了。Single bond, double bond, triple bond. But any example, okay? So we're going to draw slowly, and the drawing is they are important. 这些画画都重要。They are 2 mark in your exam. 它在你的考试是2分的。Okay, so follow me slowly. Prepare your pencil. 准备你的 pencil， 慢慢画，画久就厉害了的。Okay. Okay, number 1, formation of single covalent bonds. And the first example will be chlorine molecule. So why chlorine is not atom? Why chlorine at room temperature? Chlorine must be molecule. 它一定是 Cl2 的呢。Now the reason is here. 它的原因就在这边。Chlorine atom not stable. Chlorine atom not stable. So under the normal room temperature and condition, they will share the electron, become covalent bond, and become molecule, 就变成了分子。Okay, so now chlorine atom 2.8.7 not stable. 2.8.7 not stable. So since they are not stable, they share 1 pair of electron. 他们就共识1 pair 的 electron and make themselves become octet stable. But how to draw? 怎样画呢？ I open, you draw slowly. 你慢慢跟着我画。Okay, and 这种东西啊 for example, this example you have to draw, you know. 你要亲手画，越画越熟，你就会。For example, tomorrow exam, 明天考试 and tonight you take your book and you study. You understand? 你会明白的。But once you want to draw in your exam paper, on your exam paper, you don't know how to draw. 你其实画不出的，所以要亲手画，最后会画，越画越快，才叫做会画啦。 Okay, so chlorine atom 2.8.7, another one 2.8.7. They share one pair, and finally both of them become 2.8.8 octet, 2.8.8 octet, and become chlorine molecule, become stable. Okay, and some students they will ask, 有些学生他会问 Sir, why this chlorine is a dot dot dot? Why this chlorine is cross cross cross? Okay, it's up to you 了。你要 dot dot dot， 你要画尖尖尖，你要打叉打叉，你要勾勾勾，你要卖不用紧的，明白吗？Some of them they ask， 有些人就问老师啊，为什么要一 pair 两粒两粒的呢？一 pair 两粒的呢 ？It's up to you 了。你不要两粒两粒，你可以分开的，明白吗 ？There's no rules， 没有一个 rules， 没有一个规则说一定要两粒两粒。But if you will draw pair 两粒两粒这样画在一起啊 ，you'll be look like more tightly 了，它看起来比较整齐。OK， start draw slowly 了。2.8.7。2.8.7, they don't give, they don't receive. So this is what we call chlorine molecule that is stable. Okay, next. But beside the drawing here, this style of drawing actually is very important. Okay, but beside this style of drawings, we still can draw another type of pattern. We can draw the covalence bond by using another method, and the method is called reverse. I don't know how to read 啦。reverse 报错了 reverse structure OK 这种结构 What is mean by reverse structure 什么结构来的呢 For this style drawing 这种画法 we just show only the valence electrons So chlorine having 3 layers of occupied electron shell 它有3层的 occupied electron shell But for reverse structure you just only show the valence electron 你画它最后面的一层就可以了 It will be faster, simple but not famous in exam 100 SPM candidate 100个 SPM 的考生 99 draw this one 99个画这个 If you draw the level structure you will be the only one 也就是100个里面的其中一个罢了啦 OK and the time you'll be worried 啦当时你一定很紧张你到底可以不可以这样子画 Okay, so the level structure show only the valence electrons So chlorine having 7 valence electron 7 valence electron, they are not stable. So finally, they share the electron. 他们共识 electron. I share you one, you share me one. 我 share 你一粒，你 share 我一粒 and both of us become stable. 我们两个人都变成 stable. Okay? And because they share one pair, 他们这边呢 you look at here, 那只手。这边 Okay?Because they share one pair, so we can draw the pair here as a single line, 画成一条直线呢 single covalence bonds. So chlorine having single covalence bond that join together become chlorine molecule that is stable. Okay, 慢慢画自己 Pause the video. Okay. Another example. Formation of single covalence bond tetrachloromethanes CCl4. 一粒碳4粒的 chlorine, they join together become the molecule called tetra. Tetra means 4啦 Tetrachloromethanes 4粒 chlorine 的 methane 来的啦 Okay? And this drawing, this example, 这个 example or this answer2 times in your past year. They ask you to draw, they give you 2 marks. 他叫你画这个东西出来 and give you 2 marks. Or sometimes you'll be in essay, you know. They ask you to explain, 他叫你解释 Okay? How is a tetrachloromethane is formed? 这种分子到底怎样形成的 And that time will be 5 marks. But don't worry, we're having the example behind our notes. 我们的 notes 后面有它的 exercise 的 example. 不要担心 Okay?So now we concentrate on the drawing only 啦，我们注意在 drawing 罢了。OK， 来了，听我讲话啊。Carbon atom, OK, magnify， 我放大一下。OK，carbon atom having the electron arrangement 2.4。OK， or you look at my hand， 我们一起讲画画的时候，我顺便教你写 essay. Okay? You look at my hand, my finger. 然后同时也看着这个画面 Okay? So carbon atom having the electron arrangement 2.4. carbon need 4 electrons to become stable 一分 OK 再来看这边啊 Chlorine atom having the electron arrangement 2.8.7 Chlorine atom need 1 electrons to become stable 对不对它需要一粒的 electrons to become stable 2.8.8 stable 啦2分 OK So now how they join together one atom of carbon share 4 of each valence electron share 4 of each valence electron even with 4 atoms of chlorine that each sharing 1 valence electron with the carbons okay 4分 and finally they forming 4 1 2 3 4 single covalent bond they forming 4 single covalent bond and become tetrachloromethane molecule so this is your 5 mark in your exam 啦等一下你写 essay 的时候你的5分 I repeat a bit 我重复多一次 OK 然后我不要慢慢的我好像很自然的讲了啊 OK Carbon atom having the electron arrangement 2.4 Carbon atom need 4 electrons to become stable okay Chlorine atom having the electron arrangement 2.8.7 Chlorine atom need 1 electron to become stable so 1 atom of carbon share 4 of each valence electron with 4 atoms of chlorine that each sharing 1 valence electron with the carbon and forming 1, 2, 3, 4 forming 4 single covalent bonds so this is your 5 marks so if you can talk如果你能讲得出你肯定获得出了 because you understand 你不明白你怎样讲得出呢 OK so the drawing will be a bit complicated 它的画画有一点复杂 carbon 2.4 1 2 3 4 OK but share 4 valence electrons 然后跟4粒的 chlorine share valence electron and finally become tetrachloromethane 4粒 chlorine 的 methane 来的 what is mean by methane 天然气Next time 啦 Form 5才会读到 OK Can draw now 可以画了 OK Pause the video and draw slowly So how about the robust structures okay so carbon we just show the valence electron only 我们只显示出它最外面一层的 electron 罢了 so carbon atom having 4 valence electrons okay and 4 chlorine atom having 7 valence electrons so how they join together 它们怎样结合在一起呢 okay one atom of carbon share 4 of each valence electron with 4 atoms of chlorine with 4 atoms of chlorine that each sharing 1 valence electron with the carbon and forming 4 1 2 3 4 single covalent bond because a single covalent bond you can draw with a straight line one straight line so 这边有4条直线啦这4条直线就叫1 2 3 4 4 single covalent bond 4次的 single covalent bond and become stable so this is a robust structure OK understand or repeat 啦不明白就重复好彩今天我们用的是 online 好处在这边 OK But any other example 还有什么 example 呢 So we continue still single covalent bond 还是讲这 single covalent bond OK Water molecule 水的分子 OK Oxygen atom having the electron arrangement 2.6 So oxygen need 2 electrons to become stable Hydrogen atom need 1 electron to become stable 对不对 So 1 atom of oxygen okay share 2 of each valence electrons with 2 atoms of hydrogen that each sharing 1 valence electrons okay and forming 2 single covalent bond 形成了2次 single covalent bond 又在5分了 okay so 2.6 but they share 1 electron share 1 valence electron become 2.8 lah okay and hydrogen become duplex become stable So 非金属它们只 share 不给不拿 OK Robust structure OK， 那 copy 啦。OK， any other example？ 还有什么 example 呢 ？So now we go to the right hand side. OK， ammonia and H3 ammonia 开始。So nitrogen having the valence electrons 2.5. Nitrogen need 3 electrons to become stable even. Hydrogen atom having the electron arrangements 1. Okay, hydrogen need 1 electron to become stable. So one atom of nitrogen share 3 of each valence electrons with 3 atoms of hydrogen that each sharing 1 valence electrons and forming 3 single covalent bonds 形成了3次的 single covalent bond and now you get 5 mark. OK， 要亲手画才会真正会的 ammonia molecule. So why molecule non-metal join together become molecules? OK， 这种就是它的原因啦。They want to make themselves become stable. And next, rebel structure. Valence electron only. 我们只收它的 valence electron only. Nitrogen 5 valence electrons, 3 hydrogen with 1 valence electron. So they share, 它们 share 3对啦，1、2、3 single covalent bond and become ammonia， 就变成了 ammonia. Okay, so finish single bond 解决了。And how about double bond? Double bond 怎样呢？ Why double bond? 为什么会 double bond? Okay, next, very simple example. 你看啊。So formation of double bonds for oxygen molecule. So oxygen must be O2, O2, not O3. Or not O1, okay? 一定有原因。Oxygen having the valence electron 2.6. Oxygen having the electron arrangement 2.6. So oxygen need 2 electrons to become stable. 它需要2粒的 electron 才能变成 stable. Same as another oxygen atom, it also need 2 electrons to become stable. So what they do? You need 2, I also need 2. I share you 2, you share me 2啦。你需要2粒，我也需要2粒，我需要你2粒，你也要需要我2粒啦。所以这种叫 covalence， 平均的。Okay, so I share you 2, you become 2.8， 对吧 ？I also share you 2, okay, you become 2.8. So that's why both of them become stable. 2个人都变成 stable 2.8, 2.8. So that's why 这种就叫 double bond. They share 2 pair， 他们共是2 pair. But remember，眼睛看不对的 ，you need to draw， 你必须画 ，OK， 你必须画。来 ，rebel structures 6 electrons, 6 valence electron. I share you 2, you share me 2. I become 8, you also become 8. So they forming double bond， 它形成了 double bond。Okay, another example of double bonds or another example of partial， 这题也是 partial 来的。OK， 来，怎样拿到你的分数呢？5分呢 ？Let's say 在 essay 我们要拿5分，怎样拿呢 ？OK， the formation of double bonds, the formation of double covalent bonds like carbon dioxide 二氧化碳。OK， 看我的手，看那个图片。Carbon atom having the electron arrangement 2.4. Carbon atom need 4 electrons to become stable. Oxygen 2.6. Oxygen need 2 electrons to become stable. So one atom of carbon, okay, share 4 of each valence electrons with 2 atoms of oxygen that each sharing 2 valence electrons with the carbons. Okay, and forming 2 double covalent bond, forming 2 double covalent bonds 形成了2次的 double covalent bonds and become carbon dioxide molecule 啦，就变成了二氧化碳。Or should I translate to Chinese？ 我翻译成华语。碳 2.4 需要4 electron 变成 stable。Oxygen 2.6 它需要2粒的 electron 变成 stable。1粒的碳贡献出它的4粒 valence electron， OK， 给2粒的 oxygen atom。OK， 不过这2粒彼此都贡献出2粒的 valence electrons。OK， 然后形成了2次的 double covalent bonds。OK，this is your 5 mark 啦。So you can also can draw， 你也可以画啦。2.6 2.6 2.4 OK， but finally all become 2.8 they share， 他们只是 share， 他们没有丢也没有拿。remember when the molecule is formed, the whole molecule actually is no charge, it is neutral. So molecule 它是不带电的，它是 neutral 的。OK， 为什么？他们没有丢 electron 不会变成加，他们没有收 electron 不会变成减 ，so they are neutral， 他们都是 neutral 的。Rebel structure， OK， one pair of double bond, one pair of double bond, so double bond, double bond。搞掂。嚟 ，formation of triple covalent bonds 3 pair 的也有 nitrogen molecule N2。Why nitrogen is N2? Now the answer is here 啦，答案就出来了。好啦， in chapter 3 I just tell you 我们背罢了，我告诉你，你背起来罢了，对不对？其实不是这样子的，当时你年纪小，1-2个月前还没有成长。OK。So now, nitrogen having the electron arrangement 2.5, nitrogen need 3 electrons to become stable. Another nitrogen also 2.5, so it need 3 valence electrons to become stable. Okay, so you need 3, I also need 3. 你需要3啊，我也是需要3。Okay, so we share 3 pair. 我们共识3 pair. And finally become 2.8 stable. So nitrogen join together become the nitrogen molecule N2 啦。This is a reason， 这就是它的原因。为什么 nitrogen 是 N2 的呢？就是这样的意思。Okay， so I contribute 3, you also contribute 3, so we forming one triple bond， 它们就形成了1次的 triple bond。They don't give, they don't receive， 它不丢也不拿。他们 share 罢了 ，so finally become triple bond， 就形成了 triple bonds。So this is or these are example of covalent bond. They are formed between the atom of non-metal 非金属的 atom 之间形成。Okay, they don't give, they don't receive, they just share, so they still neutral, but they become stable 啦。Okay， 非金属才会出现这种事情 share。金属就不会，金属如果对非金属呢，金属就丢，我们很大方的，男生就是大方的，女孩子就拿 ，OK， 对吧？男孩子跟男孩子 share 他的裤 ，share 他的衣服，这种事情我不敢看了，给力 ，OK，set so this is covalent bond， 这种就叫 covalent bond，OK。this video is a record 了，这个 video 就是历史上最长的 video 了。I cannot stop suddenly， 我不能突然间停下来 ，so 几乎要28分钟左右。OK，I made another video to continue 了。拜拜。